Okay, I just wanted to show this leaf mold. This is now only 1 month old. This is about 1 month that they have put this leaf mold here, and the center of it is already decomposing in a very good way. So these ones which are on top and the ones I'm taking, in 1 month will be like that, hopefully, or maybe a little bit longer, because that was above under 1 meter of the leaf mold. The weight of it and the heat generated there helped the decomposition a little bit faster. So anyway, I'm going now to put this on the potato bed, Christmas potato bed. So blocking the weeds, at the same time providing nutrition for the plants next year. This is a full truckload of leaf mold, which I'm going to introduce to this soil, which was my Christmas potato patch, to suppress the weeds, at the same time enrich the soil. It is a long time that I'm thinking that allotments in the UK are remnants of the... It's actually heat. The compost is hot. Oh, it's hot. It's warm. Microbes are really doing their job. Look at the heat. I thought these are spores. They are not. This is the heat. Oh, that's lovely. This is decomposing. Beautiful. Look, we are now near the center of the compost heap, and you see the heat is rising. We can generate heat by this. Keep yourself warm. It's so warm here. And I was actually thinking for many years, in the allotments in the UK, we live in the medieval times. Medieval times has not finished for us. It's a continuum from the Dark Ages to now, 21st century, Tuesday, 20th of December 2016. We don't have electricity in the allotment, we don't have running water. We are lucky if we have a toilet. Of course, the peasants in the medieval time, in Dark Ages, didn't have any toilet. They had just a hole. That was toilet. And yeah, we practically are practicing medieval ways, composting and not adding any pesticide or herbicide or fertilizer other than what nature providing us naturally in a sustainable way every year, year after year. So welcome to medieval time in allotment. UK medieval near the center of the leaf mold heap. Oh, it's so warm, almost hot. A little bit hotter if it burn. No electricity, no running water. Allotment is just depending on the manpower. I'm not using even a shovel because it's difficult with a shovel to to dig this compost heap. I just use my hand. I'm just wearing gloves just to keep clean a little bit or protect from the any sharp objects if it is in the compost heap. And yeah, no electricity, no running water. It reminds me of that Ray Davies dead end street. No water, no rent, nothing. Practically, this is the story of the allotments in 21st century. No electricity, no running water, and yeah, treated as second class. I don't know, considering that the developers are after the land everywhere in the country, it seems. Some faraway places. Beautiful. We have yet beautiful sights because we live out there. Yeah, I think this truckload is the next batch. It's the second truckload I'm taking to that potato patch, Christmas potato patch.